We're going to do a quick overview on these Dodge Charger brackets. They also fit the Dodge Ram. So setup is going to be similar. It's not always going to be the same. These also fit other models like the Durango. Here's the factory halogen projector out of the Dodge Charger. It's still in the bracket. It is missing the shroud that covers it, which is right here. So this is a retrofitted, not finalized yet, but we've got it installed and mounted at the proper height. The first thing I want to note is that the brackets will go on first. So first you're going to screw on the bracket. Bracket is that big metal piece around the projector. A lot of people are saying, you know, how is this supposed to fit? It kind of touches everything. Well, when the projector is installed, it's never going to sit 100% flush against the bracket. I mean, we've done it a few times in certain models, but most likely you're going to need it spaced. Any D2S 5.0, 4.0, the Morimoto projectors, all the G5 projectors will require an upward space. So you can see an upward tilt. So you can see that the bottom is spaced out an extra 2 washers down there below compared to the top, because you need that upward tilt to match the original height of the projector. So we're going to be doing 2 things here where, you know, the projector brackets take care of the rotation, but you still need to match the height, and you need to make sure that this thing fits over, which is this little shroud. You can see, you know, I've done my due diligence here. Everything seems to fit perfectly. And so by that, I mean, you got to space the projector kind of back and forth. So this did not sit flush. On some applications, it might be flush, it might be one nut, but the bottom will always be spaced forward. So it's something to keep in mind. A lot of people don't understand that. You will require that upward tilt. If it's not done like that, technically it's not done properly. You may be lucky enough to align your lights, but if you're in a truck or something high off the ground and your lights are pointing at the ground after you've done the conversion, you know that you did not space it properly. So a lot of manufacturers and resellers and stuff don't mention it, but it's a fact. It's just not done properly unless you space it upward. So just a quick note about those brackets. And if you guys have any questions, let us know. Happy to go over the product with you, or any questions that you might have about other products. All right, thanks again.